Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on fill in the blank. In this series, we will look at different sentences where you will need to fill in the missing parts. आज की इस वीडियो में आपको खाली जगह पर सही उत्तर भरना है. Let's get started. Here's the first fill in the blank question for you. Sun rises in the dash and sets in the dash. Your options are east, north, west or south. The correct answer is sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Here's the second fill in the blank question for you. Dash comes between Saturday and Monday. Your options are Tuesday, Monday, Sunday or Friday. The correct answer is Sunday comes between Saturday and Monday. Here's the third fill in the blank question for you. Apple is a dash and potato is a dash. Your options are flower, fruit, toy, vegetable. The correct answer is apple is a fruit and potato is a vegetable. Here's the fourth fill in the blank question for you. There are dash colors in the rainbow. Your options are 7, 5, 9, 8. The correct answer is there are 7 colors in the rainbow. Here's the fifth fill in the blank question for you. The keyboard is used to dash letters and numbers. Your options are paint, type, draw, write. And the correct answer is the keyboard is used to type letters and numbers. Here's the sixth fill in the blank question for you. There are dash days in a week. Your options are 10, 5, 7 or 8. The correct answer is there are 7 days in a week. Here's the seventh fill in the blank question for you. A leap year has dash days. Your options are 365, 366, 369 or 360. The correct answer is a leap year has 366 days. Here's the eighth fill in the blank question for you. Dash comes after November. Your options are January, May, June or December. The correct answer is December comes after November. Here's the ninth fill in the blank question for you. The dash is known as the brain of the computer. Your options are modem, CPU, keyboard or mouse. The correct answer is the CPU is known as the brain of the computer. Here's the 10th fill in the blank question for you. There are dash continents in the world? Your options are 6, 5, 7 or 10. The correct answer is there are 7 continents in the world. Here's the 11th fill in the blank question for you. There are dash months in a year. Your options are 12, 11, 19 or 20. The correct answer is there are 12 months in a year. Here's the 12th fill in the blank question for you. Dash is a water animal. Your options are crocodile, dog, monkey or leopard. The correct answer is crocodile is a water animal. Here's the 13th fill in the blank question for you. Holi is known as the festival of dash. Your options are light, colors, agriculture or winter. The correct answer is Holi is known as the festival of colors. Here's the 14th fill in the blank question for you. The national bird of India is the dash. Your options are peacock, sparrow, parrot, penguin. And the correct answer is the national bird of India is the peacock. Here's the 15th fill in the blank question for you. Morning is associated with dash. Afternoon and evening is associated with dash. Your options are NM, PM, AM or RM. The correct answer is morning is associated with AM. Afternoon and evening is associated with PM. Here's the 16th fill in the blank question for you. We can see pictures and videos on the dash. Your options are printer, monitor, CPU or modem. The correct answer is we can see pictures and videos on the monitor. Here's the 17th fill in the blank question for you. There are dash seasons in total. Your options are 6, 7, 4 or 3. The correct answer is there are 4 seasons in total. Here's the 18th fill in the blank question for you. Dash comes before 88. Your options are 50, 87, 6 or 70. The correct answer is 87 comes before 88. Here's the 19th fill in the blank question for you. Dash oceans are there in the world. Your options are 7, 6, 4 or 5. The correct answer is 5 oceans are there in the world. Here's the 20th fill in the blank question for you. The animals that can live both in water and on land are called dash. Your options are amphibians, reptiles, aquatic animals or land animals. The correct answer is The animals that can live both in water and on land are called amphibians. Thank you for joining us. I hope you had a great time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.